Light up. Love. The perfect Valentine's Day gift. This Valentine's Day, let the back-cooler love, LED-lighted marquee bring warmth to your celebrations. Whether it's a lavish dinner for two or a quiet movie night, its elegant pink glow creates an atmosphere of love and charm, perfect for making every moment unforgettable. Each glittering letter, standing 8.7 inches tall, is crafted to perfection. Made with the durable ABS plastic for easy handling and long-lasting use, this marquee sign illuminates your space with a soft, warm white glow. It's more than decoration, it's a statement piece. Designed with your creativity in mind, this sign can be hung on walls, placed on tables, or styled anywhere indoors. Whether it's for an intimate Valentine's evening, a wedding, or even year-round decor, its versatility truly shines. Simply insert two AA batteries per letter for a hassle-free setup. Show your partner how much they mean to you with a gift that speaks from the heart. This loving marquee light is the perfect addition to anniversaries, proposals, or surprise celebrations, filling the room with warmth and a personal touch they'll always cherish. Don't wait. Stock is running out fast. Visit Amazon now and let the Bachelor Love Marquee Light become the centerpiece of your Valentine's Day. Make this year unforgettable by creating a space that glows with love. Scan QR code to order on Amazon.com.